Hello and welcome to my channel all about decoupage. Hi, I am Veronica, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how I decorated a cute Easter egg with pitbull design on it, because Easter doesn't have to be classic Easter, it can be something else. So for my pitbulls, dog owners out there, there is this Easter egg. So I started with styrofoam egg, then I painted it twice with white paint, let it dry between each layer. Of course, if there was any imperfection, I just sand it off. After my egg was dry, I decided which two of these cute pitbull design I wanna use. So I use my water pen for this. Of course, if you don't have it, just use small amount of water and small brush for it. After I cut out my two designs, I just tear up my rice paper in few places for better placement onto the egg. Then I applied little bit of decoupage glue onto the egg itself, and then I placed my pitbull design and I glued my rice paper onto the egg. I seen some wrinkles forming, so I just cut up a little bit more inside the rice paper, and then I glued it all onto the egg. If you don't have decoupage glue, that's okay, you can use Mod Podge as well. Just make sure with both of them then there is no excess of the glue, because that will dry out white, not clear. The same way I glued it on the other side as well. After my Easter egg was dry, it was time to paint it. So I am using some acrylic paints for this, and I am even going inside the rice paper itself for better blending. All the materials I use in this video will be listed in description box below. If I cannot find the same product I used, I will be putting something similar to it. Just please note, I am in Slovakia, Europe, so most of my links will be European based. With a brush, a little bit of water and paint, I am applying dots onto the Easter egg, and after that I let it dry. After my Easter egg is dry, it was time to use my favorite glitter decoupage glue. Of course, this step is fully optional and you don't have to do it if you don't have it. But if you do, just make sure there is no excess, because it will dry out white, not clear. And after it was dry, it was time to apply my pouring glaze onto it. Of course, you can use varnish as well. I applied 4 to 5 layers of it, let it dry between each layer. The more layers you apply, the shinier the egg will get. After my egg was dry again, I decided it does need something a little bit more, so I am using air drying clay and a bow mold for this, and I am gluing it on top of my Easter egg with express glue from Pentart. After it was glued on, I let it dry. After it is dry, it was time to paint it. So I painted it with brown acrylic paint, and then I wiped off any excess of the paint with wet towel. If you don't want to make your own Easter decor or any kind of decor, I do have an Etsy shop, and the link will be in description box below as well. So after watching this video, go and check out what kind of Easter eggs I do have available in my Etsy shop. After the paint was dry, it was time to seal the clay part, and I am using matte varnish. Of course, you can use glossy one as well. For a little bit of shimmer on my bow, I am using wax paste for this. This step is also fully optional and you don't have to do it if you don't have wax paste. And here it is, different kind of Easter egg with cute pitbull design on it. Let me know what kind of dog breed would you put on your Easter egg. I wanna know. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it, please do subscribe to my channel. Please do give me a thumbs up or a nice comment. You can check me out on other social medias as well. Until next time, bye.